Hello, today we will guide you through how to watch old Zoom meeting recordings. If you need to find and play a Zoom recording from an earlier date, this process is simple once you know where to look. In this walkthrough, we'll go through how to access your recordings, narrow the results by date, and open the file you want to watch. Begin by going to the Zoom homepage in your web browser and signing into your account if needed. Once you're on the main Zoom home area, take a moment to make sure the page has fully loaded so all navigation options are visible. Next, look to the left-hand navigation panel and click on Recordings. This section is where Zoom stores and organizes meeting recordings associated with your account. If you've recorded meetings before, this is the main place to manage and review them. After that, click on Computer Recordings. This is important because it filters for recordings saved from your computer, helping you focus on the type of files you're trying to locate. If you're looking for older recordings, using the correct category can save time and make the search easier. Once you're in the computer recording section, select the date range for the older recording you want to find. This step is especially helpful if you have many recordings and don't want to scroll through a long list. Choose a start date and end date that match the time period when the meeting was recorded. If you're not sure of the exact day, use a wider range to improve your chances of finding it. When the date range is set, click Search. Zoom will then refresh the results and show recordings that fall within the dates you selected. Give it a moment if the list takes a few seconds to load, especially if there are many files in that range. Finally, find the recording you want and click Open to play it. This should launch the recording so you can begin watching it right away. Before opening, it can be helpful to quickly confirm the meeting title or recording date so you know you've selected the correct file. And that's it. By going to the Zoom homepage, opening the Recordings area, choosing Computer Recordings, setting your date range, searching, and then clicking Open, you can quickly locate and watch old Zoom meeting recordings whenever you need them.